Friends, when I remember my teacher, Professor K.N. Panikkar, what comes to mind is his expression, slightly mischievous, with a twinkle in his eye. It is an expression I saw many times. When I met him in Trivandrum, Parkinson's had prevented that expression, and it was a little sad. I owe very much to him. He was an important person for me as a teacher and as a mentor. I was part of the 1979 to 81 MA batch of CHS. To our batch, he explained the strategies, the challenges, the complexities which were faced by social reform movements in different parts of our country. After the course he taught us, the relationship we saw between nationalism and social reform never looked the same again, and that debate and the ideas associated with it have, of course, been evolved and been enriched in many directions since that time. But he was to us much more than an academic. My relationship, incidentally, with him was of some formality. I called him Sir, never KN. But I must say he treated me with courtesy and affection. For my batch of MA students, he opened the door to many issues which we talked about after class then and continue to discuss today. But as I said, he was much more than an academic. We were about 20 years old at that time, and for us young and struggling with many issues, as people at the age of 20 do, he was a consistently benign presence. To have a teacher who is a consistently benign presence towards the young makes an enormous difference. It made an enormous difference to us in the way we viewed CHS and our experience here. My batchmates and I would remember Professor Panikkar for the ideas which he gave us, but also we will remember him with gratitude and affection for the person he was. My condolences to Ragini and Shalini and to the family. Thank you.